After toning down the light in my living room, I thought I would do the same thing with my overhead sink light, which blinds me. And so today I'm experimenting with a light meter app that I downloaded. This was a last minute decision, so I didn't do any research or change any settings. I didn't use any tools or do things the right way. I just thought it would give me a general idea of whether something was a little more bright or not. So don't take this as scientific evidence, please. Looks like it could be a good app for measuring if you want to take the time to do it the right way, but I just wanted this to be a quick project with maybe a teeny bit of information to support the experiment. Okay, with that disclaimer, let's dive right in. This is how it looked ahead of time. First, I metered it using all the wrong settings from underneath. And I screenshot the reading each time I received one. The first measurement was 19 ppfd, whatever that means. You can Google it. And then I held a white bowl in front of me and got a reading of 10. And then I removed the ineffective diffuser from the front of the light so that I could add some parchment paper inside and help diffuse the light further. If this isn't strong enough, I may go back to the electrical tape that I used in my other video. I just grabbed some parchment paper that you would use for baking, rolled it out, folded it 4 times, making sure it's the full length and slightly less wide than the diffuser to make sure it fit. And then I cut it along the straight line of the 4th layer. I placed it inside the diffuser, made some minor adjustments because it was a little too long, and popped it back on. This time, when I ineffectively measured, I had 11 ppfd from underneath and 4.3 with the bowl in front of me. So regardless of the right tool or settings, I still think one could see that there is a reduction in the brightness of the light from using the meter. So there was some value there, in my opinion. This is not very scientific either, but I took the brightest screenshot from each video before and after, and then a before and after of when the light was on fully, but there was no flashover. So here's a side-by-side comparison of the screenshot for the lighting from underneath and holding the bowl in front of me, and you can see there's a clear difference. I hope this video and all of its sarcasm has been helpful and entertaining. Unfortunately, this light is still too bright for me because it's directly in front of my eyeballs, so I'm going to have to build something across the front. Either way, I hope you were able to gain something from this video. If so, please like and subscribe and have a blessed day.